Gary started in a barn, a little barn across from where I live, and we would all go up there to have Gary repair little things that we broke.
Initially, they were in this garage with a couple of pieces of equipment, and of course, they immediately ran out of room. So they moved to Dolan in an old building there. I don't even know if it had 4 sides, and no heat to speak of, but that was their next expansion.
Well, I met Gary due to his business. Let me tell you one thing about Gary you may or may not know. Gary started his business taking care of farmers with small repairs, and farmers would come in with something broke or needed repaired, and Gary would fix it for them. And he has never forgot his original customers.
Well, in one word, it's called ambition, and there's no end. If it was daylight 24 hours a day, he'd be running it. And so he just has an innate ability to accomplish one hell of a lot of things.
When you're manufacturing to the skill level that Gary wants to there, in the precision level, you need good equipment and you need good employees. And he wants to keep his employees. Once he gets them in there and gets them trained, they're doing quality work. It's a good deal for both the employee and for Gary.
Well, when you work for a company that has good morals and good ethics and believes in treating everybody honest, it's easy to go out and sell to other people, because that's really what people want. They want somebody they can trust and who's going to treat them fairly, and so therefore they'll bring you your business.
I want to make sure it's clear that although we have a lot of technology in-house, we have servers, we have virtualization, we have an outstanding network here that runs everything, none of this would work without the 200 or so employees that make this place run every single day. We have outstanding employees here, very easy to get along with, very trustworthy.
GK Machine is a family-owned business that has grown up right here in Donald, Oregon over the past 40 years into one of the largest manufacturers in the Willamette Valley. It is known for their quality, their on-time delivery, how they treat their customers and clients.
You always want to treat the customer like a king, and employees probably more, because without them you don't have nothing. They accomplish great things, and to get this to go on forever after I pass away, which someday will happen, you want it to exceed and keep going. So you're trying to put people into training and think like you. You can never replace time, and time is very precious. So to get time, you have to be very efficient. It's a very hard lesson for people to understand, and being efficient. And people in the middle of the week always wish it was Friday. You're just wishing your life away. And that's something you can never buy.